Well, it's commendable that you've thought about making energy improvements to your home, particularly in light of the economic conditions that we're in. Well, Congress has recognized this through President Obama and has instituted a number of residential energy credits that are available for you. Most of these are pretty easy to understand. Here's the rule for the year 2009 and 2010. Anything that you spend to improve the efficiency of your personal residence. Now, this would include insulation, storm windows, storm doors, high-efficiency water heaters, high-efficiency furnaces. Even certain high-efficiency roofs will qualify. Now, if you go buying a high-efficiency dishwasher, no, there's no credit for that one. But most of your other energy improvements will qualify, and the credit is a simple calculation. You're allowed to take a credit for 30% of what you spend on those costs. So, for example, if you spend $5,000 putting in brand new storm windows in your home, 30% of $5,000 is $1,500. That's the amount of credit that you may take. A credit, of course, is a dollar-for-dollar reduction of any tax. That's the good news. Now, are there any limits here on this credit? Yes. Limit number one, the maximum credit that you may take on a home for as long as you live there is $1,500. All right, so even if you spend more than $5,000, your credit is still limited to $1,500 maximum. Second, this is not a refundable credit. So, as long as you've got some balance due, you're okay, or if you already get a refund, but the refund has not offset all of your tax, you're okay, but don't expect a refund just for spending this money. So the first element of the residential energy credit is simple. 30% of what you spend on things that improve the energy efficiency of your home, including insulation, storm windows, storm doors, high-efficiency furnaces, high-efficiency water heaters, even certain roofs will qualify, limited to $1,500 a year. Now, there is a second special residential energy credit. Most people it won't apply except for one portion. The second credit, again, is 30% of what you spent, but the big difference is there's no $1,500 limit. 30% of whatever you spend. Well, most of us are sitting up in our seat on this one. What does this apply to? Bad news. Wind power, solar power, and geothermal furnaces. Now, hopefully your ears perked up on that last one, because 99% of the United States is in an area that qualifies for geothermal. I personally have a geothermal furnace. It cost me $1,500 to put that system in, and if I would have put it in this year, I would have gotten a 30% credit of that $15,000, because on those three items, wind, solar, and geothermal, there is no $1,500 cap. In summary, $1,500 cap on insulation, storm windows, doors, etc. No cap on solar, wind, and geothermal. Both credits are 30%. Neither are refundable. For further information, please visit us at the website at the bottom of your screen, or feel free to give us a call. Bob Jennings, thanking you again for listening. I hope to talk to you again soon.